It is proposed to digitally refund to exporters. That was Nirvik. I am coming to a different point now. It is proposed to digitally refund to exporters duties and taxes levied at the center, state and local levels, such as electricity duties, VAT, the VAT, on fuel used for transportation, which are not getting exempted or refunded under any other existing mechanism. This scheme for reversion of duties and taxes on exported products will be launched from this year itself.
और बजट से जुड़ी काफी अहम खबर 2023 तक दिल्ली मुंबई एक्सप्रेसवे को तैयार किया जाएगा। साहिली इलाके में सड़क बनेगी और 550 रेलवे स्टेशन में वाईफाई शुरू किया जाएगा। और सबसे अहम बात यह कि पीपीपी मॉडल पर 150 ट्रेनें चलाई जाएंगी। रेलवे की खाली जगहों पर सोलर प्लांट लगाया जाएगा। तो कहीं ना कहीं काफ़ी अहम है, जो ख़ासतौर से हम देख रहे थे कि रेलवे से जुड़े जो मुसाफिर लोगों से बात की जा रही थी, हमारे नुमाइंदे बात कर रहे थे। अब उनके लिए ये खबर कि 2023 तक दिल्ली मुंबई एक्सप्रेसवे को तैयार किया जाएगा। साहिली इलाके में सड़क बनेगी, रेलवे स्टेशन में वाईफाई शुरू होगा, 550 रेलवे स्टेशन में।
Status of children 0 to 6 years, adolescent girls, pregnant women and lactating mothers. Our Prime Minister launched a Poshan Abhiyan in 2017-18. More than 6 lakhs Anganwadi workers are equipped with smartphones to upload the nutritional status of more than 10 crore households. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, for the benefit of those who may not have heard this line, because it's very important, I'd like to repeat it. To improve the national nutritional status of children in 0 to 6 years of age, adolescent girls, pregnant women and lactating mothers, our Prime Minister launched a Poshan Abhiyan in 2017-18. More than 6 lakh Anganwadi workers are equipped with smartphones to upload the nutritional status of more than 10 crore households. The scale of this development is unprecedented. So the next is, women's age of marriage was increased from 15 years to 18 years in 1978 by amending erstwhile Sharda Act of 1929. As India progresses further, opportunities open up for women to pursue higher education and careers. There are imperatives of lowering MMR, maternal mortality rate, as well as improvement of nutrition levels. Entire issue about age of girl entering motherhood needs also to be seen in this light. I propose to appoint a task force that will present its recommendations in 6 months' time.